the snap ring groove. And now the oh yeah. Snap ring. There we go. There it is. Pull the shaft out. It's really tight, almost like this was pushed up against it too hard, but that's supposed to go there, so I'm gonna press this gear off. This pressed on now. Sounds like it's gonna fit real nice. We go. Just go down. Slide forward, dogs. I got this case cleaned up about as good as I think I can. I took the wire wheel to it, degreased it, power washed it. I do know that this gets installed facing down. Just drop down and press. first. First step. Got this one sitting up here. This gets a snap ring. It's broken. There's some balls in here, check balls. Oh, I feel one. Magnet. Oh, I feel two balls. Two balls and a pin. So I'll try to catch this ball and spring. Another ball. And then there's a spring down there. Straight out. Ball again. Nice. Ball. I think I'll probably the same size. Nice. That's all I needed. Ourselves the ball. First spring. Seven-eighths. Little ball in it, I'm sure the reverse ball hits when you're in reverse. Shaft should be done. Hold it. There we go. Control. This direction. Grab a ball. Tip this up. I've got a ball in the spring. Alright, that should be assembled. First, second, third, fourth. It's gonna be tricky. Reverse. Here she is. Rebuild